At that time, everybody questioned me, you want pump set or you want cell phone? They used to heckle me. Today, I am very happy. The then Prime Minister, Vajpayee ji, has taken a bold decision. I have given that report. Now Airtel has to pay some premium for me. You are not paying anything. That is the report we have given, Jaswant Singh, the then Finance Minister, and myself. Today, that has transformed economy like anything. I am always for reforms. Today, we are having more advantages. Real time, you want to do anything, real time, you are in a position to do it. Honorable Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman Garu, and friends, I am really happy to receive this award, Reformer of the Year. This award will give me, or it will bring some more investments to my state. That is my ambition now. You heard brief how we are attracting investment. Now to experience, all of you has to come to Andhra Pradesh, have one investment, then how our reforms are working, you have to give me judgment afterwards. Very soon, all of you are coming to Andhra Pradesh in your respective areas, and then invest in Andhra Pradesh. That is my request to all of you. Friends, we are all in an inspiring time. I have seen so many changes in this country. One is technology. I know the days where telecommunication sector was totally, we are having a primitive structure at that time. Now, Airtel, we have awarded. At that time, we had only two companies, BSNL, VSNL, public sector. One is domestic, one is international. You wanted to connect anybody, there is a lightning call. Lightning call will come after 1 week or it may not mature. But you know the operator, he will cross all the limits, he will connect directly. At that time, China used to pass very fast. Every day they are adding cell phones. Then I was very, very fond of introducing all these things, reforms. The day I remember today, BSNL has given me 2 Mbps. Morning 6 o'clock, I used to have collector's conference. Data, everything, I used to get that. At that time, I used to go to Doordarshan every Friday, dial your CM. Today, anywhere you are, from there you can have a live. At that time, everybody questioned me, you want pump set or you want cell phone? They used to heckle me. Today, I am very happy. The then Prime Minister, Vajpayee ji, has taken a bold decision. I have given that report. Now Airtel has to pay some premium for me. You are not paying anything. That is the report we have given, Jaswant Singh, the then Finance Minister, and myself. Today, that has transformed economy like anything. I am always for reforms. Today, we are having more advantages. Real time, you want to do anything, real time, you are in a position to do it. Either AI or data center, space, satellites, drones, even cell phones, wearables, semiconductor, not one. Everything is available. The day I am thinking very clearly, I am getting all my information. We are having one more advantage, that is Aadhaar. authentication of every individual. DBT, we are able to communicate immediately. I am very happy I associated this sector. Our Honorable Prime Minister has entrusted me digital currency, give the report. There is a committee. I worked in that committee. Today, India is having highest transactions on digital currency. All these things happened within 10 years' time. So with everything, what I wanted to inform all of you, earlier I used to talk ease of doing business. Now I am talking speed of doing business. Even in government, I am talking speed of delivering governance. 900 services, real time I am providing on WhatsApp, Manamitra. Back end I am using AI, and also I am getting nearly 45 parameters real time. All process online. Historical data is available. Very soon we are going to give every citizen AI doctor, agronomy assistant, even tutor, AI tutor also we are going to give every person. But ultimately, human intelligence is very, very important. Finally, I am telling you, we need leadership. You have proper leadership, you can do wonders now. The day will come, as on today you are seeing, earlier in the beginning I used to see, only we used to do job work. Around 2000, we have introduced reforms. Recently, our Honorable Prime Minister, same BSNL, TCS, and one of the private company, and IIT Chennai, they innovated 4G. All these years, we are not going for products. We are users of that products. We are paying more and more money for foreign companies. Now our youth is doing extremely well. Even I can say, anywhere in the world, Indians are working extremely well. Highest per capita income earners are Indians. Among Indians, my Telugu community is leading because first more advantage over a period of time. So I wish all the best. You wish you want to do anything, it is possible today. Policies, public policies, I am very happy. Honorable Finance Minister is here. She is very practical, very creative, and also very, very diplomatic. You have seen our answers also today. And also that is being a woman, always I used to say earlier days, women are the best finance ministers. Now Madam is proving the best finance minister for the country in the recent past. Under her leadership, and also our Honorable Prime Minister, again and again you have to keep in mind, is a reformer, is a performer, and also is a winner. That is where for the last 25 years, he is winning continuously all elections. Now I am learning from him also how to win continuously. This is where country needs this type of leadership, more stability, more stable growth that is going to happen. All of us will work as a team. I am telling you, India will be number one. No other country can beat India. It is a matter of time. For you again, I am requesting you, you are coming very soon to Andhra Pradesh, have one investment. Welcome to you. Thank you one and all.